Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're having a wonderful week. Today's video is another vlog. I am starting today's vlog in the car, so you know it's going to be a good one. Well, I mean, you just know that we're actually going somewhere that's not our apartment or downtown Victoria. Either technically we are going downtown Victoria. Mike is currently driving. We are going to go to a cafe that we've never been to before for breakfast. Well, it's going to be lunch now. Called Shanzi's Biscuit Cafe. Yeah. Never been, heard good things. I haven't had biscuits since I was a camp counselor in the US and we had them there. So excited. I mean, I'm a lover of scones and scones are very similar to biscuits, so I'm sure it'll be great. Pro decorating right there.
This is pretty good.
Back in the car again. That was so good. How did you like that, Mike?
It was delicious. Very filling.
Yeah. It wasn't somewhere that I like rushed to go back again, just because it's not like my style of food. But it was like good if you were like craving something like comforting and warm and like you were very hungry. The biscuits were like very similar, like savoury scones. So Mike had like biscuits and gravy, very southern, with like jalapenos and sausage and grits. Grits are like, they're kind of like polenta. I don't know, I'm sure you all probably know what grits are better than me, so I'm not gonna embarrass myself, but it was kind of like polenta-y in my opinion. And I had like a veggie, sort of like a veggie melt, which I gave some to Mike because I struggle with cheese. I'm not a cheese person, unfortunately. My body does not agree with it. So it was good. So it's absolutely freezing cold now. We are going to go to Craigdarroch Castle. You may have seen the vlog where I went outside it, but it wasn't open, so we couldn't go in. So we're hoping, fingers crossed, that it is open today. I get free entry because I have the Canoe app, because I am a new Canadian citizen. Woo. And it should all be dressed up for Christmas. So we figured that'd be a really nice thing to do, especially considering that we're, oh, that's bright sunshine. We're not going to Vancouver today anymore because it was supposed to be, oh, that's not good light. It was supposed to be very cold, which it is very cold, and snowing later on in Vancouver. So yeah, we're going to stay in Victoria and go to Craigdarroch Castle. So that's where we're going to go now. Quick stop off at our favourite.
London Drugs.
London Drugs, yay. Isn't this an exciting vlog?
I'm excited.
It's like Shoppers Drug Mart in Wilco in the UK had a baby. That's what this store is.
You can literally get everything here. There is literally everything in this store. I love it so much. My favourite thing is coming down these aisles and finding weird stuff. What the heck is that?
It's little sausages in the water.
Oh, that's awful. Oh, that's horrible. I despise that.
Higher level of spam. And then
Swift Premium.
maybe not.
Jambon. Look at this, right? Just tell me what's the odd thing out here. What? Why are these here? I'm so confused. Shoot, no way, they have barukas here. I've really wanted to try these for ages. Do you remember a documentary series that Zac Efron did with that guy?
Oh, Denver.
Yeah, but what's his name? The guy who's with him?
Darren?
Yeah, he owns this company,
Oh,
Barukas. Apparently they're really good for you.
Super nuts in the savannah.
I really want to try some.
That's cool.
Just a random British section here. Awesome. Also, we used to have those in our house all the time. And then we would, oh here, look. I wonder if anyone else who's British, I know these are Danish, but did you have these in your house? Okay, this confuses me. Why is there a sausage out of the fridge? That upsets me greatly. Oh my gosh, look at that, it's a tiny hot water bottle. Oh my gosh, I remember having these as a kid and absolutely despising them. They are so gross. Oh, the worst. I feel like this is a need, not a want. Mike, can we get a chia pet?
Yeah, you can get chia pet.
Sweet. Okay, I'm definitely putting this one on my Christmas list. Raccoon Tycoon. Oh my gosh, it's got cats as well. That's amazing. This is very tempting to purchase for the cats. Most Canadian Christmas stocking ever. 8 cowboy boot. I tell you what, North America never fails to surprise me with the gadgets that they have. This has always been a thing in the Teen Vogue. I've never seen that in my life. Just continues to just have everything ever. I want to go look at this. Well, I've not seen that advertised anywhere, but it looks amazing. Look how intense this is. Why would you sit on it, Mike? See how it feels. Oh yeah, RGB.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark? From so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night? And what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's grey outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes. Until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Me wonder. Oh, I wonder.
Very fancy in here, hey Mike?
Bougie.
I don't know what I was expecting, but I wasn't expecting it to be this big or like this intricate. It's really cool.
Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Ooh, I just wonder. Makes me wonder.
You're back.
Hello.
That was super fun. Actually, it was a lot bigger, like a lot bigger, and had a lot more in than I thought it was going to. But now we're back, and it's so cold outside. Like I think this is the coldest I've ever felt Victoria today. It's so cold. Anyway, we got these. Whoop! Oh no, I just dropped them. We got these Veruca nuts from London Drugs. I went to get in a camera strap and then got distracted. And so I want to try them because Darren Olin, this person, who is on that docu-series with Zac Efron, owns a company or runs a company or made the company or something. And I've always wanted to try them. They're like these different nuts that are going to be really good for you. So let's try some. Okay, this is terrible light, but whatever. One of the healthiest nuts in the world. Lower calories, source of protein, higher in fiber.
They're also only $3, which I was surprised by.
And they're on sale. Delicious,
Should have got
crunchy micronutrients and antioxidants. Good for you, good for the planet. Okay. Oh, ow, I just hurt my... So that's getting older, you know, like you hurt your hands when you're opening stuff. Oh, they're like...
Are they salted?
I don't think so.
They smell like peanuts.
I think I just got them like...
These are just regular, I think, like raw.
Yeah, they're like little nuts.
Oh, they're slippery.
Jeez.
They smell like a peanut. They look like a peanut. Darker though.
Oh!
They taste like peanuts.
They're like a peanut crossed with like a
No.
Brazil nut. Or an almond. Yeah, it's like a peanut almond. I like those. Interesting.
Those are really good.
You like those?
Yeah, I do.
Barukas. It's a yes from me. Definitely try them out. Honestly, I am so not used to, and I don't think we'll ever be used to how dark it gets so early here. I don't know. I feel like I'm really struggling, and I feel like it makes me really miss home a lot. I don't know what this light is doing. All of the light is really weird. Oh my gosh. Oh great, now I'm like purple. Oh, do you know what I'm gonna do? This is such an amateur move of me. Why did I not think about this before? Boom. I'm sat by my computer. I have a ring light. I should just use it. I am super happy with myself because I have like 1, 2, 3 videos now that are ready to be edited, that I've filmed and ready to be edited, which means that I'm finally getting back into the swing of doing a weekly video. I was really uninspired for a while, and I realized that I need to do more of the things that I really love to do, and I really love vlogging. I do like doing sit-down videos sometimes, but vlogging is my favorite thing to do, and so I'm just gonna keep doing that and keep doing vlogs. And I think if I do the things I love the most and the things that I enjoy creating and the things that I enjoy watching, I'm gonna be putting out better content, and content frequently again, because for the last couple of months it's been pretty infrequent. So one of my videos went live today. It was a little bit late. I usually put them out at 7 AM, but for some reason I put it out at 3 PM, and I can't remember why, because I stayed up late last night watching it to make sure it was okay, so I should have put it on at 7 AM. That was my fault. Anyway, it wasn't a good time to upload, as I've learnt. So I need to not do that again. And so I'm gonna edit some more tonight. I have my video for my interview, same questions 1 year apart video. I haven't watched the footage of it, and I'm really worried because I filmed it with OBS. And I'm thinking now I shouldn't have done that, because now it's like filmed my video with like the old video in the corner, and I don't think I should have done that, because next year it's gonna be really hard to edit. But that is a problem for next year, Emme, so we're not gonna worry about it right now. We're just gonna edit that one. Then I have another weekly vlog set up, and then this one, which is almost ready. So that's like 4 that I need to do. So no, that's 3. That's 3 I need to do. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. Also, this is what the other thing that I got from London Drugs. This is what I meant to go in for. That's why we went. It's a leash camera strap from Peak Design. In my opinion, these are the best camera straps ever. This is my 3rd one. I have like a thicker one, I have a wrist strap, and now I have this one. It's just like slimmer than my other one, and so it's just perfect for this little camera. And it's in a really pretty sage color. So I have like a gray one, a blue one for my wrist strap, and then now I have the sage one. So yeah, if you are in search of a camera strap, I would highly recommend Peak Design. Maybe not a leash for a big camera, but like a small one, like the ZV-10 that I film on for my videos is perfect. And then the bigger ones, I think I have the light strap for my A74. So yeah. Good morning, it is the morning. Oh my gosh, so Mike and I, we're just about to set off for our workout. We're doing a later one today. Usually we do it quite early, but we were doing it late because the weather wasn't great, and we got up and a text got sent out and our class got cancelled, which is very sad. But it got cancelled because it has snowed like crazy outside. Like our balcony is, gosh, it's got to be about 20 centimeters of snow. So instead of going to our workout, we're going to do a little walk around just to see and take some pictures and vlog it, because although I am not the snow's biggest fan, this is like very pretty snow and it is still a novelty for Victorians. And it's so funny because the entire city just shuts down. They just don't know how to deal with snow. If this was Toronto, nobody would care. It wouldn't even, like, no one would bat an eyelid, like the roads would be closed. But here, like, the roads are totally closed, like there's no plows or anything. So yeah, we're gonna go check it out. Oh my gosh. This is like, oh my gosh, it's so deep. It's deeper than my Blundstones. I've got snow in my boots already. This is too funny. Look how deep this is. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I haven't seen snow like this in a actually long time. Like, I don't think Toronto ever got snow this deep. Look how deep. Oh my god. I feel like my feet are freezing. Oh my god. It's literally bad decisions. Look how funny I look.
Rounded bundle.
Pretty. Just realized that I forgot to do an outro to this vlog, so if you enjoyed this, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below if you have any questions or comments. Love to see it. And if you did like it, also check out the rest of my channel, because I do videos like this all the time. Usually I try to get them out every single week, so if you like that, make sure to stick around. Check me out on Instagram, TikTok, Twitch, all your favorite platforms. I'm there. Until my next one, I hope you have the most wonderful week, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder.